Logical operators. The first one arithmetical, second one we know relational, third one we study assignment operator, and fourth one that is logical operators. And Boolean variable. Before logical operators, you have to study Boolean variable. Boolean variable means Boolean variable is also known as binary variable. Binary variable means another name that is logical variable. Binary variable, binary, the meaning of binary, that is 0 and 1. Okay. So in physics, that is in electronic circuit, if the signal means the current, if the signal pass, it represent true, that is 1. Otherwise, it represent 0, that is high voltage represent 1 and low voltage represent 0. Okay. So these logical operators are used for the logic circuit diagrams, for drawing the logic circuit diagrams. So if we pass high voltage, that is 1, that is true, and if it is low voltage, that is 0. Okay. So these logical operators are used in electronic circuits. Okay. So there are 3 logical operators. First one that is AND operator, second one that is OR operator, and third one that is NOT operator. And the symbol for AND, that 2 ampersand symbol, 2 AND symbol, symbol for OR, 2 bar symbol, and symbol for NOT, that is exclamation. So these are used for electric circuits, logic circuits, which takes one or more input signals and produce one output. Okay. So in logic gates, we use these binary logical operators, that is AND, OR, and NOT. So these are the fundamental logic gates that we use, that is AND or AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate, that we use for the logic circuit. And for that we use 3 logical operators: AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. Okay. So first one we have to study about AND operator. Okay. AND operator means the AND operator operates on 2 or more expressions and produce only one output. AND operator operates only on, that is on 2 or more expressions. It operates on 2 or more expressions and produce only one output. That is more than 2 input and produce only one output. Okay, that is the meaning of AND operator. It takes 2 or more inputs and produce only one output. Okay, so AND means logical multiplication. The meaning of AND, that is multiplication. So usually true is represented as 1 and false is represented as 0. Okay. So the truth table for AND operator, that is the table for AND operator. This one is the first expression and this one is the second expression. Okay. If both the inputs are true, the output, that is true. Okay. I told you true represent 1 and false represents 0. So if true and true, the output, that is true. True and false, the output is false. False and true, the output is false. And false and false, the output is false. This one easy, that I told you. AND is called logical multiplication. So these are the binary values. 1 or 0 is there. So output is either 1 or 0. And AND means logical multiplication, that I told you. So 1 into 1, 1. This is the easy method. 1 into 1, 1. AND means into, that I told you. So in computer, into denotes dot. Okay. Here in Boolean algebra we use into. We represent into as dot symbol, dot. Okay. So 1 into 1, that is 1. First one. Okay. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0, and 0 into 0, 0. So this is the easiest method to study. That is, instead of AND, I told you AND, that is multiplication. So 1 into 1, 1. 1 true. and false, that is 0. So 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0. Clear? So if all the expressions are true, that is, if I told you that here there are two expressions, true and true. So if all the expressions are true, the output will be true. And if any one of the expression is false, that is on the left side, if any one of the expression, here false, here one false, here also false. So if any one of the expression is false, then the output, that is false. Clear? So this is about AND operator. That I told you, easiest method. True value, that is 1, and false value, that is 0. So AND means logical multiplication, that I told you. So these are the left side and this is the output, that is on the right side. So these are the two expressions. Here we use two expressions. AND operator operates on more than two expressions. Okay, so 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0. Okay, I show you one example. Let A equal to 15, B equal to 5, C equal to 10. Then evaluate. Okay, these are the questions. So this first one, that is in the question paper. The question is like this: let A equal to 15, B equal to 5, C equal to 10. Then evaluate these 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. So you have to find out this one, second line and third line. Okay. So one more question. So first question, A equal to 15, B equal to 5, C equal to 10. Question is A greater than B and A less than C. So this is the first expression and this one is the second expression. So you have to substitute the value. A, that is 15, greater than 5, second value, and A, 15 less than 10. So 15 greater than 5, that is true, and 15 less than 10, that is false. And true and false, the output, that is false. Okay, second one, B less than C and A less than C. B, substitute the value, 5, 10, A 15, C 10. 5 less than 10, true, and 15 less than 10, false. So true and false, false. Again, A greater than B and A double equal to B plus C. So here you have to compare. Okay, this one is one expression. So A 15, 15 greater than 5, true, and the value of A, that is 15, 15 equal to 5 plus 10. 5 plus 10, you got 15. So 15 double equal to 15, that is also true. True and true, output, that is true. And the last one, A greater than B and A double equal to B plus B. So this is also another expression. This is one expression. So A greater than B, that is 15 greater than 5, that is true, and 15 double equal to 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So 15 equal to 10, false. So true and false, output, that is false. So these are examples of AND operator. Okay, clear? So AND means logical multiplication. Here for logical operators we use only 0 and 1. So if the two inputs are 0, the output, that is 0. That 0 into 0, that is 0. 0 represent false. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. And 1 into 1, 1. Clear?